everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with my walkthrough of my Doodlebug Pretty Kitty mini album. There is a tutorial for this. I also had done a dog version. Let me grab that really quickly. Here's our dog version. I'm going to do a separate walkthrough on this. The base of both albums is the same. The kitty I did in Craft. The tutorial is the one I did with the dog, so it is black, but that is, other than obviously the matting and the paper, that is the only difference. So we're going to do separate walkthroughs. So this is the newest Doodlebug line. This is Pretty Kitty, and it's so cute and so much fun to work with. The album is 8.25 by 8.25, or I'm sorry, 8.5 by 8.5 with a 3-inch spine. I've used, to make this complete project, I used about 20 sheets of artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, the collection kit, the matching petite prints, and then the Chit Chat and the odds and ends. Okay, nothing else. I didn't use any doodle pops. Somehow, I'm not sure how I managed that. No doodle pops. But you could absolutely make it your own. There's so many elements in the Doodlebug lines to choose from. You could absolutely make it your own. So let's take a walk through this. So on the front, I've got an assortment of the odds and ends and the Chit Chat. This is from the border print that is in the paper collection. When you open this up, we have a little acetate pocket over here that I've got just, you know, the little ball of yarn and then the paw print at the end. And that is just an acetate pocket. Very simple. The tutorial, which, like I said, will be a separate video, will walk you through the construction of this entire book. The decorating and whatnot, you're on your own. However, I did do a live video on Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations showing how I go through and work with the Chit Chat and the odds and ends to decorate. So I'm going to see if I can download that and maybe edit a little bit and put it on my YouTube. But if you are in Scrapbookers, go find that. Check that out. Here I just have a little kind of flap pocket. I took some of the tag cut apart pages and just made them into little tiny booklets. Got a cut apart here. In fact, let me grab, I'm sorry, not a cut apart, odds and ends that I have left loose so it, you know, pictures or things can be tucked back behind here. Same thing with this over here where I've built just a little scene using the odds and ends and one of the Chit Chat pieces. I love that little howling dog. Wait till you see the dog album. Oh my gosh, the howling dog cracked me up. This opens up, and again, you can stick pictures back there. And then this flips down here, and I think, no, I did leave that open. Okay, so we could stick another picture in there, in the big space for photo there. I did do inserts in this, so just little 6x8 inserts. This one I did use a leftover piece of the paper collection and then petite prints on the back. The little kitty heads are from the odds and ends. The circle with Love My Kitty and whatnot are from the Chit Chat. And it's just so fun to use the two different elements together to create a project. So here I kept it very simple. I just did layout pages. However, in between we have an acetate pocket flap. So you can stuff this full of pictures, obviously, but it's not going to take away from your layout. So, you know, I've got space over here for a picture. I've got space on this side for 3 pictures. Again, odds and ends, Chit Chat, just to make that. And here comes Gus to tell us what he thinks of this album. Oh my gosh. And then again, we've got our insert there. Next one, we've got an insert on a belly band that I did not mat and was going to come back and mat it. And honestly, I think it's fine. I think it kind of helps, you know, break things up. And then you can, you know, use scraps once you've put pictures on there to decorate that however you want to. This is from the This and That sticker sheet that is part of the paper collection. This is the back side of those tag sheets. So like, you know, like those, that I've just flipped that over here. So you've got that cute border, but you've got, you know, the rest of it's just kind of open. We've got another acetate pocket flap here with one of the cut aparts and then just a leftover of the pattern paper, just because I love these word collages like that, and I just thought that was fun to stick that in there as well. This one, I think I did glue this one down flat. Yes, I did, just because it was cute and I wanted it that way. So here I used the Chit Chat and the odds and ends again, and I used the My Forever family just because I was thinking of my little Gus, who you can hear complaining loudly in the background. Because he was 3 years old when we adopted him. We've had him for almost 3.5 years now, and he is the sweetest cat on the planet. I'm just telling you. If you are not a cat person, you would love this cat. Okay, another insert. And it goes back in there again. And then on this side, we've just got a nice big pocket there. You know, some more decorating. Another little pocket flap, a little 4x4. And then I talk about when I did my live with the decorating of the dog album, you know, if you've got something on one of these cut aparts, the sentiment that you don't really want, how easy it is. You've got so many elements between the Chit Chat and the this and that sticker sheet that's part of the paper collection that you can swap out and cover those up and make it to whatever you want it to be. And then the last page here, we've got another big pocket with an insert, and then just a small waterfall, a little 3x4 waterfall. And again, I wanted different sentiments on here, so that's what I did. And there we go again. And this is just helping to kind of keep that waterfall sitting nice and flat. And there you go. That is the Pretty Kitty album. Thank you guys for watching. The tutorial will be uploaded shortly, and I'm gonna get you a walkthrough of the dog album. See you guys next time. Bye.